some horse riding there. They said it was crazy. Last year. Yeah, the girl with Pony, she was just hoping to get rid of it. She'd been working on it. I know them pretty well. And when they got to 20, she said she didn't even know what to do. Like, just blew her mind. And I think I heard Kraft didn't have a.
This is where I like to have the music playing.
Oh, yeah, the music.
I brought music. We don't have a CD player.
We don't want to.
That's all right.
We don't have a music player. I have like an iPod cable. If someone's got an iPod.
Do you have
I'm okay
do you
for
have
that.
do you have it on your phone?
No.
No.
I'm pretty antiquated.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
figure out something for later.
Okay.
There was guys coming up from Montana buying them.
Well, are we ready? Wow. What a nice looking group of fillies. Wouldn't you have to agree with that? Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first annual Horse Expo Canada in Red Deer, Alberta.
There's 3 trainers there.
I'm Hugh McLennan, a refugee from British Columbia for the next 4 days or so, and great privilege and honor for me to sit here and do some commentary on what's going on. We are about ready to do the draw for these fillies with our 3 trainers, Cade Mills, Trevor Mertes, and all the way from Port Elgin, Ontario, Jason Irwin. So, yeah. These 4 fillies, all products of the terrific breeding program of the Rockin' Heart Ranch. I think so, yeah. So how did you want to handle the handouts here, Mark? Oh, there's Cade and Trevor and Jason. So they're each getting a little token with a number on it, and the number is the order that they get to pick. And what was Jason gets to pick number 5? Oh, 3. You pick 3rd, Jason. So Cade, what number you got? Now Cade goes first, Trevor second, and Jason 3rd. Dixie.
Get the money.
Okay, Cade has picked Senior Get the Money, chestnut mare with a barn named Dixie.
I'm coming.
And Trevor picks Emmy Lou, RHR Sweet Aim Sue is her barn name. Beautiful blue roan filly. And now Jason still has 2 to pick from, right? You have 2 to pick from?
And he picked RHR Blue Lace Angel McBride.
McBride, okay.
My husband's feeling left out, you guys. It's hard.
be interesting to know what these guys saw and why they picked the ones they did, and I'm sure they'll give us some explanation about that when they're working with the filly that they drew.
There's a break between each one. So the first guy starts at 9:45.
Where did it go?
Jason starts at 9:45.